Hello! Welcome back to my vlog. This is the 10th episode. So in this episode, I'm going to share with you something different. I'm going to share with you how you can upload your photo from your computer to Instagram using your web browser. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can do it with Google Chrome browser. Let's start. First, open up your Google Chrome web browser on your computer. Go to your Instagram account. If you haven't logged in, do log in. Then, right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect. As you can see, it looks like what you see on your mobile device, except the upload button is missing. All you need to do is just click on the reload button. Ta-da! There you go. By the way, you can choose the device that you want it to emulate from the list here. If you don't see what you want here, go to Edit, More options available. Now, still nothing? You can add custom device. In fact, just choose any one in the list. They will allow you to do your upload to Instagram. Okay, make sure the interface fits this area. Otherwise, you won't be able to see the buttons down here. You can zoom in or out from here, but make sure it is not too big or you will not be able to see the upload button. For example, 100%. You cannot see the buttons. So go to Fit to Window. Here you go. Your buttons are back. Now, you can upload your photo as usual. I'm going to choose a photo from my pre-Instagram days. Let's choose one from here. Okay, I found one. Open. Okay, you can only upload one photo at a time. No multiple upload available. The functionality is quite limited. You can't zoom in or out. You can't do any advanced editing. All you can do is this or this or simple filter. Choose the filter that you like and click Next. Key in your text as usual and share. As you can see, there is no option for you to share it on your other social media accounts. No need to worry about that. You can go back to your mobile device to share it to your other social media accounts. The key here is to upload your photo from your computer to your Instagram using Google Chrome web browser on your computer. Or you can go back to the feed here, choose the photo that you want to share, click on the three dots, do whatever you want to do here, and that's it. As simple as that. I hope the video is useful. If you like this kind of content from me, do let me know. I'm going to end my episode here. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook at LoveBellBell. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, see you and take care.